guys, this is Anne. I'm going to be making date syrup. So this is a kg of dates and I put it in a bowl. So, and I have pitted it. I have removed the pit, as in the stone that's in between in all of them. So that is what you're going to do, like that. Yeah. So this is 1 liter of water. I'll see if it's going to fit all of it. And I'll put as much water as possible. Then this, I'll let it sit overnight until it has absorbed all the sugar from the dates. And then after it does that, I'll show you what to do next. Oh my, it has become dark. So yeah, that's what you do. So I'll soak. That's the amount that's left. I don't have exact measurements. This is just how I make the syrup. Whatever amount comes out is what comes out. So I'll just soak it. You can use warm water if you'd like. Maybe it'll make the process go faster. So by the time we come back, it'll be nice dark water. All right. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, I soaked this for 19 hours. As you can see, the dates are completely soft. That's what you want. Then we're just going to strain it, but we'll not press it. Just let the water drip slowly, so we just get the water from the dates. That's all you want to do. So you don't want to let the fiber get in. Then you let it drip over time until it's all gone. So you get all that nice water, that nice thick water, because it will be nice and thick like that. As you can see, I'd put it in the fridge for a while so it doesn't go bad. So you can also do the same. And you're putting it overnight so it doesn't spoil. So that's what I did. So now I'll just strain it and I'll show you as it strains slowly. This one, just let it do its thing. No hurry, no nothing. Just let it drip slow and show as you do your other stuff. Let it sit there for a while until the water and you see the dates, all the moisture is gone. Okay guys, this is like 6 hours later and I decided to cover them because of the fruit flies and all kinds of stuff getting into it. You want it a nice clean syrup. So now after the few hours, I'm going to put the water, the date water, into our different bowls from both containers. If you have a large container, you can use that. So then that water I'm going to put in the dehydrator at 135 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Then I'll reduce it down to 115 Fahrenheit so that the first 2 hours it's able to absorb as much heat as possible. So it reduces the amount of water it has, and yeah, then you see how it looks. Okay guys, here is the date syrup. As you can see how it looks, it has reduced by almost Okay, more than half actually. You can see it's really sticky. It's just like a syrup, the way a syrup is supposed to be. It's not watery. So use another. Okay. My goodness, disaster. You can see the way it is. This makes almost 250 ml of the syrup, or you can even add more water when you're doing the process to see if it will make more syrup. For me, this is what works. Should have removed the air bubbles because it's taking forever. Okay, I'll just show you when I've finished. Okay guys, that is your date syrup. Just heat it down so it can remove the air bubbles. Then you're good to go. You put it in the fridge or wherever you want to put it. And yeah, that's it guys. Your date syrup.